How to save videos on Snapchat. The very first step is to open your application Snapchat and make sure you are logged into your account. Head over to chat section. Just right now I have sent one video to myself on Snapchat. Well, you can see the video that I have sent. In order to save this video, what you need to do is long press this video. You'll get to see two options, save in chat and save to camera roll. If you want to save the video just in chat, click on save in chat. If you want to save it to your camera roll too, then click on save to camera roll. Well, this video has been saved into your chat as well as your camera roll. Well, the another thing, if you want to go ahead and save the video that you have received or sent out to somebody, then you can do this. First of all, let's click one video and send this snap to anyone that you want. So let's send it to this person. Now if you want to save the video that you have just sent to the person, then what you need to do is go to the inbox of the person and do the same process that you have done before. Click on save in chat. Well, the video has been saved into your chat successfully. So this is the end of the video, and this was the tutorial video on how to save videos on Snapchat. I hope you found this video useful. If it does, please make sure to give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on our next video.